3, 2, 1. Welcome home.
This is coming home after you've had a lovely day out. You've got your key and you've got your little fob package. What you do is, now you can actually do this about 35 metres away, but you don't have to. So what you can do is you come to the door, do not try and open it. You press the north-east button, which undoes it, which unfobs it, unalarms, but you can hear the man inside as well. Well, that beep then means it's absolutely fine. So what you do is, do that in case you accidentally press it, and then you unlock. Now what I must say, at this moment, I always prepare for the fact that when I've unlocked it, as I go in, I do listen, because if it suddenly went off or was beeping, you know you have to go and use that code. It has never happened in the history of my life, but I must admit I'm always prepared for it. So you unlock. Be prepared.
On track.
No noise. So you can come in, have a cup of tea.
Sorted.